If the positive integer n is added to each of these three integers 69, 94 and 121, what is the value of n? The first statement says that 69 plus n and 94 plus n are the squares of two consecutive integers. So let's quickly think about the perfect squares, the consecutive perfect squares which are greater than 69. So 64 is 8 square. So the perfect squares which are greater than 69 will be 9 square, that is 81, and then 10 square, 100, 11 square, 121, 12 square, 144, 169, right, and so on. So these are the perfect squares. Let's quickly take the first possibility. If a number increases from 69 to 81, we see the change is 81 minus 69. That means the change is 12. And if we add 12 in 94, then it does not become a square. That means 69 plus n equal to 81 does not satisfy, because n equal to 12 does not make 94 plus 12 a perfect square. So 81 is out. Let's check, and the possibility 69 plus n, if we choose it to be equal to 100, then it gives us that n should be 31, and 94 plus 31 makes it 125, which is not a perfect square. So once again we have to exclude this possibility. Now the next possibility is 69 plus n becomes 121. Now for it to be 121, the difference should be 52, and if we add 52 in 94, then the number that we get is 156, which is not a perfect square. 146, and that's not a perfect square. So again this possibility is out. The next possibility is 69 plus n should be equal to 144. If we take them to be 144, then n becomes equal to 144 minus 69, so that is 31 plus 44, which is 75, and when we add 75 with 94, the sum is 169. Wow! So 144 is 12 square, 169 is 13 square, that means n is definitely 75. So little hit and try gets us the answer, the value of n. The value of n is 75, therefore we say that the first statement alone is sufficient. And the answer must be either option A or option D. The second statement here says that 94 plus n and 121 plus n are the squares of two consecutive integers. So we have to do the same exercise, and we can see that 94 plus n, so n is substituted 75, then it becomes a perfect square. Let's just verify the same value, because in data sufficiency a very peculiar thing is that the first and second statements cannot be in disagreement with each other. So I'm sure that n equal to 75 is going to satisfy, because 94 plus 75 gives us 169, and 121 plus 75 gives us 196. So once again we have two perfect squares here. That means n must be 75. The second statement alone as well is sufficient to answer the question, and the final answer therefore becomes option D, because each statement alone is sufficient. Thank you so much.